Hey guys, how's it going? It's Dr. Austin here at Sport and Spine Recovery Clinic. Today we're going to be going over how to do a proper deadlift. Now, deadlifting is not just a lift in the gym, it's something that we're doing every day, all day. Anytime we're bending over and picking something up, we want to make sure that our spine is in a good, healthy position to help prevent any excess strain on the low back or in the hips. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so for our deadlift, I'm going to be using a barbell for the example. I'll also show the same thing with a kettlebell, but essentially we're going to have the same checklist of about 5 things. Okay, so step 1 of the deadlift is our stance. So I'm going to step right up to the bar here. I want my shins to be roughly 1 inch away from the bar and my feet to be about shoulder width. From here, I'm going to get my feet toed out ever so slightly. I'm going to plant with my big toe first and then plant with my pinky toe, really trying to root myself into the ground and create a lot of stability throughout this pull. Okay, so step 2 is going to be to grab the bar. So we got our stance set. All we're going to do here is to send our hips straight back and with a slight bend in our knees, and we're going to extend down with really long arms close to our shins. So we're going to grab the bar. I choose to do an over-under grip. You can also use a hook grip. You can use straps, anything to keep the bar to not slip. Definitely not necessary, but it does help. So when you come down here, really long arms, grab the bar just outside of your shins here. And once we're here, step 3 is going to be to pull the slack out of the bar. So pulling the slack out of the bar is this little sound here. That's essentially the slack. So while we're doing there is loading the weight gently. I don't want to just come in and just rip that weight up because that's going to put my back in a pretty compromising position. So step 2, grab the bar. Step 3, pull the slack out. So I'm pulling the slack out. I'm slowly adding tension into that bar. Make sure that that weight is ready to go. And I'm slowly loading my spine while I do that. So that's going to help to reduce the risk of injury and prepare my muscles for the movement that we're about to do. So grab the bar, pull the slack out, and then now we're just going to lift. So when we stand up, we're going to really drive up with that chest and get in a good lockout position, which is step number 5. That's when our spine is in a nice neutral position. We're not really overextended because that's also a risk for injury. So when we get up, just a nice lockout position. And when we go back down, we're just going to slide our hips back, that bar straight down, and go all the way back down to the ground, returning to our start position. If you have any questions about that, leave them in the comments below. We'll catch you next time.